Now we're in the grinding section of the mill. This particular grinder is called a hammer mill, and basically the names of the equipment depend on how they actually do the job that's required here. But the fundamental role of these pieces of equipment is to take the varying different sizes of the ingredients like maize, soya, wheat, whatever you're making, and to reduce it down so it's a consistent size. Once you've got that consistent size, you can then produce a homogeneous product, which is much easier to pellet, much easier for the animal to actually digest. So these are really important, critical pieces of equipment. All they do is, when they're running, the raw ingredients come through here. The ingredients are being ground down or reduced in size to be stored in bins that are then weighed out. So this is called a pre-grind mill. The raw material comes in here and is held there, and we control the flow through into the grinder. And in here is an arrangement with a number of beaters, which will be cycling up and down and trying to crack the product. And it'll be smashing it against what's called a screen. The screen is a bit like a sieve. It's got holes in it, which are the right size for the size of the ground material. So the screen is something that can be changed according to what the customer wants. So we smash the raw ingredients against that screen until the particles are small enough to pass through, and then it's basically a homogenized ground product ready to go into the main mixing process.